Hi children, welcome back. Let us discuss about the question and answers of the lesson weather, climate and adaptation. So here are the very short answer questions. The first question, what is the primary source of energy which causes change in the weather? What it changes? Temperature and rainfall. Next, name any two activities of your daily life which planned according to the weather. For example, if you are conducting any function, if you are celebrating any function, or otherwise, if you are drying your clothes, right? We have to take care of the weather. Next, what term is used to denote the amount of water vapor present in the air? The water vapor present in the air is called as humidity. Name the instrument used to measure the rainfall at a place, that is rain gauge. Name the unit which is rainfall is measured. It is measured in millimeters and as well as centimeters, but here according to question millimeter. Which of the two changes frequently, weather or climate? Which one changes frequently? The weather. Climate is constant. Name one state in which India having following climates. Number 1, very hot and wet. Very hot and wet will be in the Kerala. Hot and dry, Rajasthan. Moderately hot and wet, Jammu and Kashmir. Wet, it is Assam. Name one state in India which has typical tropical climate, that is nothing but Kerala. Name the state in India which has typical desert climate, that is Rajasthan. Name two animals which live in polar region of the earth, polar bear and penguin. Name two animals other than polar bear and penguin which live in polar regions, seals and polar leopard. Name seabird which cannot fly, that is penguin. Okay, next question. Name two places in India where migratory bird called Siberian crane comes, that is Bharatpura in Rajasthan and Sultanpura in Haryana. Name any 5 types of animal which live in tropical rainforest. Lion-tailed macaque, toucan, monkey, lion, tiger, elephant, etc. Right? They live in tropical rainforest. Next, name two big cats, lion and tiger. Name the colorful bird having long beak, that is toucan. What is the most outstanding feature of lion-tailed macaque? The ultimate feature is that containing mane, M-A-N-E, mane. This mane is present from the head to cheek. So white silvery colored hair, that is called mane. It is outstanding feature of the lion-tailed macaque. State whether the following statements are true or false. Weather and climate are just the same. Do they are just same? No, they are different. Weather can be changed frequently, whereas climate will be permanent. Red-eyed frog lives in the water of a pond. It is also false because it lives on the branches or leaves of the plant. It lives on the plant, not in the water. The temperature at one place is high most of the time, and there is also heavy rainfall at the same place. What type of climate, right? So here it is very high temperature, so dry, and heavy rainfall, so moist, so hot and humid. Hot and humid will be there in tropical region. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. The average weather taken over the long time is called climate. The state of atmosphere at a given place and time is called as weather. A place receives very little rainfall, the temperature is high, that will be dry and hot. The two regions of the earth with extreme climate, desert and polar region. Desert climate and polar climate. The days are dash in winter than in summer. Short. Right? The day is short in winter than the summer. The tropical rainforest found in Western Ghats and Assam in India. We'll discuss about the short answer type questions later. So we'll come to multiple choice questions. Which of the following option best describe tropical region? Tropical region is hot and humid. Option A. A carnivore with white strip on the body moves very fast while catching its prey. It's likely to be found in where we could find them tropical rainforest, that is taiga. And next, which of the following feature adapts polar bears to live in extreme cold condition? A white fur, fat below the skin, keen sense of smell. So option A is absolutely right for the adaptation in polar bear. Which of the following has a tropical climate? Kashmir, Kerala, Rajasthan and Assam. What they asked? Tropical climate. So it belongs to Assam. Tropical climate. Sorry, it is Kerala. I'm sorry, Kerala. Next, why? Because typical tropical climate is there in Kerala. Which of the following is not type of climate? Which is not a type of climate? Polar climate, equator climate, desert climate, tropical climate. We listened about polar climate, desert climate, tropical climate, but here equator climate, it is wrong. So B is the odd one. The minimum and maximum humidity values on 4 different days are given, which is most likely to be rainy day. So maximum humidity, wherever we find maximum humidity, that is the rainfall day. So here we can find maximum humidity in option B. We could find in option B, right? And next, the most outstanding feature of a lion-tailed macaque is, that is silver white mane. The climate which neither very hot in the summer nor very cold in the winter. So that zone is called temperate climate. We call it as temperate climate. And next, alright, an animal which adapted to get food from fruits attached to the end of the even very thin branch, that is toucan, the bird with the large beak. Tropical climate is one which is neither very hot nor very cold, very hot and humid, very hot and dry, very cold and dry. That is option B, very hot and humid. The animal having sticky pads on its feet which helps to climb the easily on trees, that is red-eyed frog. Next, if the region of the country nearer to the equator, it will have a desert climate. Why? Because high temperature will be there. The red-eyed frog lives in pond, on trees, in lakes, on mountains. on trees. The climate of the Indian state said to be hot and humid. This state likely to be Kerala. That state is Kerala. Which of the following does not live in tropical rainforest? Leopard, gorilla, reindeer, lizard. Reindeer, it belongs to Canada. Which of the following country does not have tropical rainforest? India, Brazil, Malaysia, Canada. That is Canada. And next, one of the most common migratory bird among which comes from Siberia. That is Siberian crane. Crane is the answer. Which of the following have a thick layer of fat under the skin? Parrot, polar bear, elephant, penguin. We know that polar bear and penguin. So option D is the right answer. Which of the following does not live in polar region? Reindeer, seals, toucan, penguins. Toucans. The mammal which know to migrate seasonally, search for favorable conditions. That is reindeer. The mammal is reindeer. Okay, so with this we completed very short answers and fill in the blanks and match the multiple choice question. In next session we will discuss about the short answer type questions, right?